Café Antix is a coffee shop located in Cavite City. So we opened at April 2012 and we focus on Italian style food and we offer various coffee concoctions. Hi, I'm DAVEY GUINTO, barista and owner of Café Antix. We offer Italian style pizzas and pastas and gourmet burgers and pastries that go well with coffee. We offer various types of pizza. Firstly, we have this pizza called the Pizza Bacalao. Well, obviously, the main ingredient is bacalao, which is a Caviteño dish. We just pizzafy the dish, make it more unique, like Café Antix's very own. We also have this pizza called Pizza Quattro Formaggi, which is one of our best sellers here. Basically, it's 4-cheese pizza. It has mozzarella, parmesan, gorgonzola cheese, which is an exotic cheese. And the last one would be the quesillo, which is a local here in Cavite as well. We wanted to focus on the theme, which is modern antique, because my parents have always been antique enthusiasts. This was a thesis of mine, since back then there were no major competitors. So we wanted to grab the opportunity to set up a place for people to hang out, to relieve themselves from stress.